Good afternoon or good evening, good morning, whichever one it is for you. This is Miss J, and it's another great day in the neighborhood. So you see that I've got my two screens up here. You want to do your, you need to go to balts.org on this side. You need to have our Google Classroom. So this is for App Creator 1 and 3. Okay, here it is here. Okay, I need to go to, students, but I'm going to go to staff, and we need to go to Google Classroom, the same place you find your Google Classroom. Open that up, leave that one up. First hour, classwork. I'm going to go down here to PLTW 2.1, open it up, and you should be going down to, we're still getting the bus, so it's that one. And then over here on this side you're going to be going to, well, we got to do PLTW over here. PLTW pltw.org. Okay, there. Click on that. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be okay, good. Alright, go there, log in. Okay, and you would click I'm a student, but I'm not going to. Alright, so we got both up. Alright, so over here, you're going to go to www.mit App Inventor 2. Okay. Yeah, and then you're going to go down to App Inventor 2. Get that one up and going. It should open up to it. If you were on it last time, it should open it right up. Okay, there's my name there. Go to courses here. Alright, so keep me in the loop. And down here, app creators. And yeah, so, oh my goodness. So remember how to get over here. We click here, go down here to 2.1. Yep, keep me in the loop. Anything you might need would be right here in the information. Remember to check your X and Y. And remember how to do that. We hit on the school bus. We go down here. We look for our X and Y. Yeah, maybe our bus is clear over here on this one, but the bus needs to, the line needs to be here. The red line needs to follow. All right, so anybody else? Okay, so if there's anything else you need, remember you can get a hold of me at ljonovich@balts.org. All right, now for those of you who have already finished this one, I want you to go all the way down here to the bottom. If you've answered all these questions, we're not going to do the conclusion one. So you're going to go down here where it says Programming with Procedures. Okay, so you're going to, don't have to answer the question. Make sure you download your resources. Here's your A2-2 charades. Help each other out. Over by my desk underneath there's some papers of the game design requirements. I need for you guys to read where it talks about the charades game. Okay, now each one of these, the game requirements, the start game, the playing the game, the advancing to a new word or phrase, score, and resetting the game, those are all the parts that you need to have in it. But you need to go right here, decomposing the problem. All right, so now what you need to do is you need to fill this event handler chart out. I will make an event handler chart. I will have a separate video for that. So I will come back to that. Remember, you got to do that. Okay, exploring the starter code. Please go through each and every single step. Remember, here's the designer view, your blocks editor, all the different things. Look at these questions. It's not the emulator. It's going to be your device. They'll have to get the devices out for you. I will put that in the thing for the substitute. Deploying the app. Remember, you need to connect it. And you find out what it does at first, and then you're going to reduce the redundancy. What does redundant mean? To go over and over again. And so how can you reduce the redundancy and streamline your code? Well, that's something you'll have to answer, and then here you'll flip that and it'll give you the answer. Remember your procedures for resetting it, and it'll tell you what you do, what you need to do. Remember camel case. Camel case is the writing of compound words like variable names, procedure names, and file names. And file by starting each word with a capital letter. Remember that, okay? And then you'll test it. And so you should probably only get to number 12 on the 23rd. The 25th. Then on the 26th, you're going to be doing... You'll be starting with probably 13 and on out. I will do a separate one tomorrow night about that. Okay, so first time you do the go into the bus. Once everybody's done with that one, if you're done with that one, you go ahead and listen to the rest of this video, and that's what you do now. Okay, so at least go to number 12. All right. Have a good one, and I'll let you know. I'll give everybody notice of how big the baby is and all that good stuff. You'll get all that information. All right. Thanks a lot. Okay. Bye.